Hello, 10th graders. Welcome back. Happy Friday. Hope you guys have had an awesome day so far. I want to say thank you to the sub. Thank you for helping me out. I really do appreciate it. I want to let you know that you don't have to worry about anyone on Zoom. So I will reach out to them and you don't have to worry about them. I just thank you for your help so far. And please let me know if there's any issues and I'll deal with those whenever I come back. But students, please don't make me have to do that, okay? And I know that you guys won't. So please take out your textbook. We're going to be on page 55. Page 55. For some reason, there it is at the very top. Please open your textbooks to page 55. I already mentioned the chapter 3 review with a lot of terms, but these terms are going to be due on Tuesday. We're going to be due on Tuesday. But if the substitute writes your name down saying that you are not doing any work, then not only are these terms going to be due, but they will be due on Monday. And, well, I'll give you the terms and I will give you these questions as well on page 55. So please do not be messing around. You have plenty of work to do. There's plenty of terms here to keep you guys busy. But it's not just to keep you guys busy because our test, like I said, is Tuesday the 29th. So please, as you go through these terms, be reviewing them as you go. And that's the whole purpose of this. Do a very thorough job. Does not need to be complete sentences, but it does need to be thorough enough to help you guys study. So please complete all these terms. It can be front and back of your pages. Make sure they do get stapled together. If you have any questions, please feel free to email me. But this is your work today. It's enough work to keep you guys busy for today and this weekend. So please help yourselves out, get as much done as possible. But there should be no excuses for this downtime, okay? If you do finish, you may work on something else. You may do another homework. But please do not bother anyone or I will give you this extra work to do. So please get started at this time. Have an awesome weekend. We'll see you Monday.